हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल ऑफ फ्री ट्रेड एनालिसिस। अगर आप लोग चैनल पे नए हैं और पहली दफ़ा देख रहे हैं वीडियो को तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल सो यू गाइस कैन रिसीव regular updates from our end. And today's video is going to be very interesting because today I am going to reveal data. Okay, so when we were discussing our for January, for the month of January, we took approximately 59 trades in DXY. Okay, in DXY US dollar index January 2023. Okay, so how many active days were there? There were approximately total 18 days. Okay, here you go. Okay, so we were active for 18 days and we made 7 trades on day 1 and made a profit of 13.7%. Now how did we make this profit? This was the -1, which means that the first trade was a stop loss, and then a profit of 9.5, then a profit of 3.1, then a break even trade, and then a 2% profit over here, and then a -1, which means that another stop loss, and then a 0.8% profit. Okay, this is how we analyzed our trade. Okay, and we made an average profit, for example, like 13.7 divided by 7, so the average profit per trade is 1.9. Okay, so this is also for you guys. And from the account size that we started off from, for example, of $1,000, and we made a profit of 13.4%, it went to $1,134 on 4th of January. Okay, so let me share the screen from the 4th January trades. This is a screenshot from one of my videos on that I made on the 4th of January. So the trades were of 3rd January. So over here, as I explained, trade 1 stop loss hit, trade 2 9.5% profit, trade 3 3.1, trade 4 break even, trade 5 2%, trade 6 we hit a stop loss, and trade 7 we made a 0.8% profit. Okay, so this is how I have analyzed my data for you guys for simpler. Okay, so same thing happened on 5th of January. We took 2 trades, total profit of 4.4% with an average of 2.2, and our account size went to $1,184. Okay, so let me show you the screen from the 5th of yes, this is the 5th of January. The day is 5th of January. This is a screenshot from my video that I made on 5th of January. The trades were executed of the 4th January. So the trade 1 gave me 2.7% profit and trade 2 gave me 1.7%. Okay, so similarly, let's move on to the 6th January. So we took 2 trades and made a 1.1% profit, and our account size grew accordingly. Okay, so let me show you the screen from the 6th of January. So we took 2 trades, 1.1% and another one of 0. So let me show you this, that 1.1% and 0 over here you can see. So now the next day, 9th of January, 4 trades executed, 5.3% profit. Let us go to the next screen. Okay, yes, 4 trades executed, 1.4, 2.0, 1.5 and 0.4. Okay, and let me go back. Yes, 1.4 to 1.5 and 0.4% profit. Okay, I hope you are understanding the concept that this is and now our account size has grown from 1000 to 1260. Okay, so then next on the 10th of January we took 3 trades and we made a 14% profit. Okay, so let me show you over here. So we made a 4%, 4.2%, 5.5% and 4.3% profit, and overall 14% profit. Okay, then next we went to the 11th of January. We took 2 trades, made a 4.4% profit, and our account size grew to approximately $1,500 by 11th of January. Okay, so now let me show you the screen that on 11th of January I took these 2 trades, 1.5% and 2.9%. So If we sum these up, 1.5 plus 2.9 equals to 4.4. So similarly, on 12th of January, one trade executed and 2.4% profit made. Okay, so here you go, 2.4% profit. Okay, now on 13th of January, five trades executed, a total of 2.6% profit. Okay, so we took five trades, we hit a break even and a stop loss as well with 1.5, 0.8 and 1.3% profit. So let me show you. Okay, 1.50, which means 0.8, then a 0, which means a break even, then a -1, which means a stop loss, and then a positive trade of 1.3, overall 2.6%. Okay, so on 16th, four trades executed with a negative 0.2. Let us see on 16th of January. So on 16th of January, the trades were of 13th January. So we hit one profit of 1.2% and a stop loss, and then a 0.6% profit. And then on the fourth trade, we hit another stop loss. So overall, we made a negative in this day of approximately minus 0.2%. Okay. So data is speaking for itself. So we went from $1576 to minus 0.2, which means $1573. Okay, our account size on 16th of January would have reduced by $3. Okay, then we went on to the next day, 17th of January. Here we took three trades, or overall profit of 2%. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, 0.4 plus 1.6 equals to 2%, and another trade was running, so I considered it a 0. So, and then 18th of January, we took five trades and overall 2.1% profit. Okay, so five trades, 0.7, 0.6, minus 1 stop loss, and then 0.6 and a 1.2% profit. So if we combine these trades, so we hit a 2.1% profit. Now on 19th of January, we took three trades. Okay, three trades. Okay, so we are taking three trades, 1.1, 0.7, and the third trade is running. Okay, so how do I write it? I write it first trade 1.1%, second trade 0.7, and the third trade, which is running, I do not consider any profit in it. I consider it as a 0. Okay, so and then then we move to the 23rd January. So we took two trades on 23rd of January. Two trades, 2.9% profit and 1.9% profit. Okay, I hope you are understanding the concept, because it is very important that the data is speaking for itself and everything is in front of you guys. These are all screenshots from my January 2023 DXY videos, which is the US dollar index. You guys can see it for yourself. Okay, so on 23rd January, we made up to 4.8% profit in two trades. Okay, 2.9, 1.9. Okay, so on 24th of January, we made a 4.2% profit in five trades. So let me show you. So we take five trades, we hit a 1.0% profit, then a stop loss, then a profit of 0.5, then a profit of 3.7, and then a running trade at a break even. Okay, so let me show you. 1% profit, and then -1, which means we hit a stop loss, then 0.5%, which means 0.5% profit, then a 3.7% profit, and then a 0% profit. Okay, overall 4.2% profit. Okay, now let's see, on 25th of January, we took three trades and we made a profit of 2.7%. Okay, 2.7% profit. How much? 1.7, 2%, and -1, which means we hit a break even as well today. Let me show you guys from the screenshot from the 25th of January. Here you go. So on 25th of January, the trades executed on were of 24 January. Trade 1 was 1.7%, trade 2 was 2.0%, and trade 3 was a stop loss. Okay. So let us go back. On 26th of January, five trades were executed and we hit a 1% profit overall. Okay. Here you go. 0.5% profit, stop loss hit 1, stop loss hit 2, and then we made a profit of 2.1, and then trade 5 we hit a profit of 0.4% and the trade was still running. Okay, so overall we made a 1% profit. Then on 27th of January we made approximate profit. We took two trades and made a profit of 3.4%. So let me show you. Okay. So the trade 1 gave us a profit of 2.5, trade 2 gave us a profit of 0.9%. Okay, so now let us move on to the last day of the month, which was the 30th January. So on 30th January, we took one trade and made a profit of 4.4%. Let us go to the screen. Yes, so here is the screen from 30th January video. On 30th January, the our trading would be from the last working day, which would be 27th January. So trade gave us a 4.4% profit. Okay, so overall profit was 73.8% in these 18 working days. And average trade, so the total number of trades executed were 59, and the average profit per trade is 73.8. Okay, 73.8 divided by 5.9, or in simple words we can take an average. As we were taking averages daily. So if I do this as well, that I divide 73 divided by 59, the answer would be similar. Okay, 1.25, which is approximately more or less same. Okay, so if we do this or this, the answer is approximately more or less same. Now let us have a look at the account size. So when we started off from $1,000, our account grew to 1134, hitting a simple of 13.4% profit on 4th of January. Then how we went to 1184? Because now we are not trading with a $1,000, we are trading with a total equity of 1134. So we made a profit of 4.4% on this 1134, not on $1,000. And similarly, we then increased our size, and when we went for example this 1.1% profit and we were at 1197, how we made a profit on $1,184 with 1.1% profit. Okay, not on the $1,000. So we kept on adding our equity every day, and we kept on making good profits. So overall, when we closed our month on the 30th January, we were standing at $2,039 overall profit. The strategy is right in front of you guys. All you guys need to do is work on it and analyze it yourself. Very simple strategy to make good and amazing profits. Okay, so now let me show you explain it with a graph as well, so you guys can even understand it more better. Okay, so here you go. So this graph shows this red line is the profit and loss percentage line. So we started off over here at 13.4%. This was one of our peak, and then we hit a 14% on 10th January. These were two peaks, and then overall we were more or less in a good position of red. Approximately just one day we made a negative profit of 0.1%. This is the zero power line, which you can call a drawdown in the terms of Forex language. So the drawdown is only 0.1%. Okay, which is very amazing and awesome. Okay, so you guys can see that we were consistently going in positive direction and growing. Okay, so everything is in front of you guys. You guys can look at it in front of you, and you guys can judge it for yourself as well, that how much profit did we make and how did we land at $2,039 by the end of 30th January in this US dollar index in the month of January 2023. The videos are in my playlist of January 2023 for your reference. You guys can go back and have a look at that as well. If you guys have any questions that how I am making these profits, I have explained everything in detail. I use a very simple strategy of key for entries. So I follow it in my every video, in my every trade, and I tell you that how do I take my trades and explain it. So just let me know if you guys want to make more profit and how you guys want to make it. Just give me in the tell me in the comment section, and I will be happy to help you guys out so you guys can make good profits and enjoy with us. Okay, thank you. That's all for today's data reveal. I will reveal more data in the coming days for different pairs and for different months, so you guys can better understand that how much profits we are actually making. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.